Good afternoon, guys. I'm one of the representative of Dentodontics, and I'm here with another counseling update. Like few other states have came up with their extended schedule of counseling, and we will be discussing in detail about those counseling details with the states. So first, the MP state has also extended their mop up round. So we are here with some details, so please do take a look. They have started their extended counseling from 11th. So they have started their fresh registration for eligible candidates also, so the revised cutoff students can also apply for it since 11 until 14th midnight. They have the registration and the rest of the schedule, and we have posted the whole schedule on our official Twitter account. So we get one update of MP state counseling that they have extended their schedule, mop-up schedule, and they have started the fresh registration from 11th. Now second state that has extended their mop-up schedule is Tamil Nadu MDS counseling. They have also extended their registration, and they have invited the fresh registration only of the revised cutoff eligible students, not the other. Only the revised cutoff eligible student can apply in Tamil Nadu extended mop-up counseling, which started, they have dated from 10th. So like with the DCI, and they have given the time frame of 12th to 15th to upload their documents. So the revised cutoff students of Tamil Nadu now can apply for the fresh registration. Here is the update for the Tamil Nadu counseling for the self-financing dental colleges in Tamil Nadu management quota. So they have again asked for the revised cutoff students for the Tamil Nadu to apply for it. Only the revised cutoff students can apply. Neither other candidates who of Tamil Nadu can't apply as the fresh, only the revised one, because the freshly eligible candidates, they have just done it for them. Okay. Now the next update about the state is for the now the next update of the extended mop-up counseling is for the Telangana students, Telangana state counseling. They have also extended their mop-up schedule, and they have also allowed the freshly revised cutoff students. Now the now the next update is from the Telangana state MDS counseling. They have also extended their mop-up schedule, and they have also asked the freshly candidates and the revised cutoff eligible candidates can apply for it, and their candidates can apply from 13th to 15th. They have extended the mop-up round till in these dates for the management quota seats, and the revised cutoff eligible students are eligible for it. So don't worry about it. This is the update from the Telangana state counseling, that they have also extended their schedule. Every schedule and the details has been posted on our official Twitter account. You can go and check it. We have placed our official Twitter account link in the comment box. We have pinned it, so the details of it you can see on our official Twitter account. So the next update comes here. Haryana has also released their seat matrix of all the colleges. Here is the Haryana update. So guys, here are few states that have extended their mop-up round counseling, and here was the update. First was, in a short we will again summarize it. First was MP, then we talk about the Tamil Nadu, then we talk about the Telangana, and we have talked about the seat matrix of Haryana. Now, one of the most important news that we are getting, that another circular has been released from DCI about the data that they have to put, about the data that all dental colleges have to put till 10. They have extended the schedule just for the revised cutoff students who got eligible right now. They have extended that date till 20th. So all the dental colleges can extend their data till 20th of November by the state colleges and by the All India colleges. So they have extended the date for the revised cutoff students. And now the information about the All India thing, that they will, when they will release the scorecard, every other aspirant have messaged us about the scorecard, sir, like previously old scorecard we have. So I will say to those students, until now the NEET MDS All India haven't released the new scorecard, the NBE, till now. So those who are applying for the extended mop-up counseling, I will suggest call to those state authorities and cross verify that your old scorecard of NEET MDS, that was of before the revised cutoff, is can work or not. Okay, so like Telangana has allowed the students to apply the old scorecard, as the All India haven't released the new scorecard, so they will allow it. Just cross verify it by calling to the state authorities and then apply the old scorecard if they allow it. And what about when All India will release the scorecard? Let's see. We have posted the drafts, we have sent the members to their offices also. They are saying they are working on it. Now let's see when the All India will do the things. And everybody is asking about All India deemed universities counseling. Well, when All India counseling will start, if will they start it or not? See, up till now we don't have any update about it. We have drafted the letter for it that revised cutoff has come, so All India should also start the things according to it. Now as you see, state state management and the All India management works differently. Only the DCI holds the both. So like All India will release, when they will release the schedule, whenever they will release the schedule, we'll come up with the update. We have drafted the letters, we have talked to the authorities that still the people are waiting for the deemed universities seats, as the stay vacancy of All India is being closed now. On their website also it's mentioned. So don't worry, we have in talk with them. They can release the notice whenever possible, as soon as they can possible. They are working on it, so don't worry. Whatever the update will be there, we will coming up with on our YouTube short podcast, and the details will be posted on our official Twitter handle. The link of the of our official Twitter handle will be given in the comment box, and it's pinned. You can check that, and you can follow us on the Twitter handle to watch all the detailed schedule of all those different state counselings and the injustice that we fight. Now next thing, what people were asking about me, that about the Karnataka state counselling. The details about the Karnataka state counselling I will give. See, as you know, the revised cutoff has come, and Karnataka has a authority. Like in previously, they allowed the revised cutoff students to take part in mop-up rounds. They make them eligible for the mop-up rounds. But this year, don't compare it with the last year. I always say this year counseling is very different from the last year's. It has been very haphazard. It was been very zigzag. So don't compare it with the last year, what happened in the Karnataka or in All India or any other state counselings. So this year it's a very decisive year. So don't compare it. So I will say for the Karnataka state students, like many Tamil Nadu state counseling, so Tamil Nadu state students have messaged me that they were not able to, like, sir, we were not able to reach our document verification centers due to floods, due to bad weathers. And some also student of other states, like they haven't their eligibility certificate was being ready, so they were also not able to make it. They were very tense, sir, when will be the offline document? See, the revised cutoff has come. Karnataka state authorities are well aware of it. Okay? So don't worry. Let the authorities decide what's best for the students. If they don't allow you all in the first round also, they will start the fresh registration for the mop-up round. Don't worry about it. So you are nowhere going. So Karnataka can extend their document verification again offline, or they can allow them in the mop-up. So don't worry about it. But the Haryana counseling has allowed the revised cutoff students also eligible, so they can apply for the everything. So these are the few updates and few queries that I have resolved about the Karnataka. Let the authority decide what's best for the aspirants, and they will work according to it. So don't buzz and don't create panic. Okay, whatever the update will come, will give you. Like many of the members have called Karnataka, they said they will extend the offline document verification if possible, or they can't. So let them decide. So don't create a confusion, don't panic. If they don't, still the mop-up round will be there. They will start with a fresh registration, fresh document verification, as they happened in the last year. But if they don't, they can extend the days of counseling. They can extend the day of document verification offline also. So don't worry about it. Be ready with your things. Be ready with your things, and don't allow it. Okay, just be ready with your documents. Okay, so don't worry. So here are some small and important updates about the NEET MDS counseling and the state counselings. So guys, now I will request all to subscribe this channel. We will be coming with more updates and more state counseling updates we will be posting here. And to see the detail of all the state counselings schedules, we have posted every schedule, everything on our official Twitter handle. You can check there, because on YouTube it's not possible to post. So we have posted it on our official Twitter handle. You can download it from there. So for that, follow us on our official Twitter handle and follow and subscribe to this channel for the further updates of all the state and the All India counseling. Any confusion you have, post it on the YouTube comment section. We will read it and we will come up with another podcast to solve those queries. Don't worry. Any doubt you have regarding counselings, you can post on our YouTube channel, as we have all got as we have made a big Telegram group of 10,000 dentists, and where every aspirant is there. The rest who have not joined that group, you can post your doubts over here on the YouTube, on our YouTube channel, on our this video. We will read those comments and we will try to solve it with another podcast. Don't worry about it. We are here to help you. Don't worry. And there is no pre-booking of seats, anything. So don't pre-book your seats. Everything gonna happen through counseling, and everything gonna happen through a process. So don't come in say of any agents or any agent, admission agent mafias and all. Many are there, like many agents are there. So don't fall into their traps. Just do what the college authorities are saying. If you want to discuss something about the college, just call the college directly. Ask the fee details, fee structures, vacancies. You can call directly to or you can contact directly to the college, not the middleman. So just avoid the middleman. Don't DM, don't come into any pressure, or if anyone calls you, if your anyone friends are doing like they can give you the admission in this college, this without registration. Nothing happens like this. Don't pre-book your seats. There is nothing. You are playing with your money. You are taking a risk. If that seat doesn't goes to you, they will keep your money and you will lose your money. So go through the process that is there, and every process is not a hazard process. You all will get your MDS colleges. Just talk to the college authorities directly. Don't come in between a middleman. Don't go through a middleman or agents. Just be aware of it, and please be aware of these counseling guidance or counselors, that they are career counselors or any other. Don't fall in their trap. Don't pay for anything to anyone for counseling guidance. We are here to provide you with the podcast and every details. Any query you have, post it on the YouTube, on our YouTube comment box. We will try to solve it. Don't go or pay something for any details that are already on the net. You can use the net, you can Google everything, every schedule is there, every seat matrix is there. Why to pay some agents for these knowledges? They can't guide you. They are even also confused. So don't fall in trap of any career counselors or any counseling guidance agent, or don't fall in trap of any agent mafias, admission agent mafias. If you want to talk for the admission, directly contact to the college for the fees details, for the fee structures, for the everything vacancies, for their patient flow, everything. And rest of the things are discussed in our Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group. There every counseling discussion happens where the students from the same colleges say the real thing about the college and everything. We are trying to stop those agents from looting your money. That's why we created this. That's why we are here. So that's why we are also came up with YouTube podcast. Even if some queries we can solve. And if you have any query about your state counseling, call to the officials of the state. Helpline numbers, you will get the resolution there also. So don't worry about it. If any other query is there, you can post it on the YouTube, on our YouTube comment section. Many other aspirant can solve there. So don't worry. Just keep helping each other and stay united and help each other to get their desired MDS colleges. Because it was a period of very harsh time. COVID was been there, everything was been there. Many people have lost their their loved ones and everything. Whatever happened is in the past. Whatever the depression was been there, everything, time heals. Don't worry. Time is the great healer. With time, everything will heal. This patience, this wait period, this atrocity of pain, struggle, anxiety, everything will reside once you get your MDS colleges. So do focus on it. I will again request all the revised cutoffs to eligible students. Open up your minds, start doing the registrations and be quick. This time if you miss the opportunity, then again you will be preparing for the next exam. Okay, so be very confident. So thank you. Subscribe this channel, share this video with every aspirant. Are there some query resolving things, and follow us and subscribe this YouTube channel. Share this video and plus follow us on our official Twitter handle where we fight against every injustice. And second, we have started a nationwide campaign also about once the respectable stipend for the PGs and for the interns. And do join us when you join your respective MDS colleges, because many private colleges, universities take lakhs of tuition fees and they provide nothing with the stipend, or they give 3-4K or 500 to the interns. This is really a state of mockery and harassment. The hard work that every aspirant do, every PG and intern do, we will fight for it. So do follow it. Do follow us on our official Twitter handle. The link is being pinned in the YouTube comment box, in this video comment box, and do follow us. And every details schedule will be posted there also, and every query will be solved here also. If you have any query, you can both paste it on the comment section. Okay, we will try to solve it in the next podcast. Thank you.